Are you looking for the best Shark vacuum cleaner? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best vacuum cleaner on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Shark LA702 Rotator Pet Lift-Away ADV Upright Vacuum. Dually and power fins HEPA, the 2-brush roll system digs deep into carpets, directly engages hard floors, and picks up dirt, debris, and hair in every pass. No hair wrap. The self-cleaning brush roll delivers powerful pet hair pickup with no hair wrap. Guards against bad odors. Odor neutralizer technology guards against bad odors inside your vacuum for a fresher smelling home, versus Shark LA702 without odor neutralizer technology. Lift away. Just step on the pedal to lift away the pod to clean stairs, furniture, and everywhere else in your home. No vacuum emits cleaner air. Anti-Allergen complete seal technology with a HEPA filter traps 99.97% of dust and allergens inside the vacuum cleaner, keeping them out of the air you breathe. Based on ASTM F1977 of particles 0.3 microns and larger. LED headlights, powerful lights on the nozzle reveal hidden debris around your home. Advanced swivel steering, easily maneuver your vacuum in and out of tight spaces, in corners, around furniture, and more. Specialized cleaning tools. LA702 The crevice tool cleans in tight spaces, while the upholstery tool picks up pet hair, dust, and large debris from mattresses, couches, and more. The anti-allergen dust brush removes fine dust and allergen particles from delicate surfaces. What's included? Shark Pet Lift-Away Vacuum, crevice tool, upholstery tool, and anti-allergen dust brush. Number 2. Shark IW1111 Detect Pro Cordless Stick HEPA Filter. For deep cleaning technologies, for powerful cleaning technologies detect and react to hidden dirt, different floor types, edges, and lowlight areas for up to 50% better dirt pickup. Based on ASTM F608 Eco vs Boost mode. 30% lighter, with the performance of a full-sized, cordless. The redesigned turbo drive motor is 30% lighter, with the power and performance of a full-sized, Shark cordless. Versus IZ862H. Based on ASTM F608 versus IZ540H. HEPA filtration and anti-allergen complete seal, captures and traps over 99.97% of dust and allergens. Based on ASTM F1977, down to 0.3 microns. Redesigned real-time LED display features LED rings that illuminate when sensors detect high amounts of debris and change colors as the area is cleaned. It also displays real-time battery levels and mode selection. Never swap the nozzles. You'll never need to swap nozzles when switching from carpets to hard floors. The Quad Clean multi-surface brush roll tackles 4 cleaning targets: fine dust, pet hair, large debris, and dust along edges. Freestanding storage. Attach the hand vacuum to the included wand clip to conveniently store your vacuum in your home. Up to 40 minutes of runtime. The removable battery can charge anywhere in your home, delivering up to 40 minutes of runtime. In Eco mode, tested at the hand vac. Converts to a hand VZ. Remove the ultra-lightweight hand vacuum for versatile cleaning above the floor and in tight spaces. Number 3. Shark AZ3002 Stratos Upright Vacuum. The most powerful Shark, the strongest suction and best hair pickup of any Shark vacuum. 1416.0 watts. Dually and power fins HEPA. 2-brush roll system that grips and captures more dirt, debris and hair in every pass. Guards against bad odors. Odor neutralizer technology guards against bad odors inside your vacuum for a fresher smelling home. No hair wrap. Self-cleaning brush roll delivers powerful pet hair pickup without wrapping hair. Powered lift away the pod for motorized cleaning under furniture, or detach the nozzle and clean above the floor. Anti-Allergen Complete Seal works with HEPA filter to trap 99.9% of dust and allergens inside the vacuum cleaner. Based on ASTM F1977 of particles 0.3 microns or larger. Anti-Wrap Dust Cup. Removable dust cup with anti-wrap technology to eject all debris without ever touching the mess. LED headlights, powerful lights on the nozzle reveal hidden debris and pet hair around your home. What's included? Stratos upright vacuum, Hair Pro self-cleaning pet power brush, odor neutralizer technology cartridge, crevice tool and upholstery tool. Number 4. Shark NV360 Navigator Lift-Away Deluxe Upright Vacuum. Powerful suction, deep clean carpets and tackle bare floors with multi-surface powerful suction. Lift-away functionality, detachable pod for cleaning under furniture or detach the nozzle to clean above the floor, on upholstery, furniture, stairs, and more. Anti-Allergen Complete Seal Technology, works with a HEPA filter to trap dust and allergens inside the vacuum cleaner. Perfect for pets, powerful pet hair pickup attachments like the upholstery tool make cleaning pet hair a breeze. Swivel steering, easily maneuver your vacuum in and out of tight spaces, in corners, around furniture, and more. Brush roll shutoff, feature allows you to instantly switch from deep carpet cleaning to gentle bare floor cleaning. Large capacity dust cup, 0.9 quart capacity for longer cleaning sessions. Easily remove dust cup to empty debris in seconds. What's included? Navigator Lift-Away Deluxe Upright Vacuum, Upholstery Tool and Crevice Tool. Rinse filters under running tap water until the water runs clear. Squeeze filters and let air dry for 24 hours before replacing. Do not wash in dishwasher or washing machine. Number 5. Shark IZ362H Anti-Allergen Cordless Lightweight Stick Vacuum. Hypervelocity accelerated suction, provides incredible cleaning performance in an ultra-lightweight vacuum. 40 minutes of runtime, removable battery with up to 40 minutes of runtime measured at the hand vacuum in standard mode. PowerFins brush roll, continuous cleaning contact to dig deep into carpets and directly engage floors. NO hair wrap, self-cleaning brush roll for powerful pet hair pickup with no hair wrap. HEPA filtration and anti-allergen complete seal, captures and traps dust, allergens, dander, and more, keeping them out of the air you breathe. Low-profile design, a streamlined body shape makes this vacuum perfect for cleaning under furniture. Removable hand vacuum, transforms to a hand vacuum for lightweight above-floor cleaning. XL dust cup, removable dust cup with clean touch dirt ejector. LED headlights, illuminate hidden debris around the home. What's included? Crevice tool, pet multi-tool, anti-allergen brush.